residence in Vimannagar.
Welcome everyone, this is Paulina Nimbalkar and we are here at the Pristine Property Pune, and this is situated at the heart of Vimannagar. This is the most luxurious property present at the heart of Vimannagar, and this video is brought to you by Horizon Properties Pune. So come, let's check it out. So we have a huge space in the foyer area where you can have your meetings, and you can also have the privacy to your living room because this is a huge space in itself. So come, let's check the living area. So as we enter, we can see the Italian marble right over here. And so we also have a space for your party deck. So the windows are made of toe-stem system windows, which reduces 70% of outside sound. As we enter the party deck, you can also see the AHU area, which can be utilized as a storage space. Plus, we also have the party deck, which is attached to the guest bedroom. And you can also have in-house party, and you can easily have around 20 to 30 guests in this whole area, as this consists of around 450 square feet. So as we come forward, we can see the dining area. We have a huge space for our bookshelf, and where you can have a beautiful dining area right over here. So come, let's check out our kitchen. So we have two-sided kitchen over here, and we also have the utility area. So in this utility area, you can also see there is a good amount of space for sunlight and fresh air, which is must. You can also see this space. This is a good space for your kitchen for some fresh air and sunlight. So come, let's check our next space. So we have the powder room over here. We can check the kids' bedroom. So the kids' bedroom also consists of washroom, which has separate space for a dry area and wet area. It also has a glass door partition. We also have a good amount of space for the kids' wardrobe. So come, let's check our next bedroom. So this is master bed 1. So this is the most spacious room. So we have a huge deck over here for your master bedroom, and these windows are made of toe-stem system windows, which reduces around 70% of the outside noise. So there are so many specifications to this master bedroom, and I am just loving this. As you can also see, there is a different space for the sunlight and some fresh air. So let's see the washroom, which is attached to your master bedroom. So we have the walk-in closet over here, and there is a provision for your bathtub to this washroom. And there is a different area for your dry and wet area, which is separated with the glass doors. So come, let's check out our next master bedroom. So this master bedroom consists of a separate washroom, which also has the walk-in closet, and this is also a spacious master bedroom, and it also consists of the same glass windows, which reduces around 70% of the sound. Alright. So come, let's check out the washroom, which is attached to the master bedroom. So we have the walk-in closet over here, and the washroom, we have separate areas, that is the dry and wet area. You can also see how beautifully this has been designed.
Guys, welcome to the guest bedroom. So this is among the super sized room at your new home. So all your guests are going to love to stay back, for sure. So we also have the party deck attached to this room. And we have a washroom where you will see dry and wet area which are separated.
So we have separate service room for your privacy. You can also utilize this and make it your office.